Okay, let me just taste this fire rice. It's just slightly spicy. The smoky flavor from the paprika is taking this rice to a different level of yumminess. If you guys want to learn how I made this rice, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, hope all doing good today. Let's quickly make fire rice to be served with peri-peri chicken. Please click the link below in the description box for the peri-peri chicken and peri-peri sauce recipe. Let's see what all we need to make the fire rice. 2 cups of rice. I washed it and drained it. We will be needing any liquid. Over here I have got 2 cups of chicken stock and 1 cup of water. If you do not have chicken stock or vegetable stock, just go ahead and use plain water. 3 tablespoons chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a tablespoonful of stock in here and make it into a paste. Okay, so let's start now with. I'll be making my rice in an instant pot, so saute, normal. I'm going to add in my oil. Add in my onions. Saute the onions until they become light golden brown. Okay guys, onions look good. I'm going to go ahead and add this paste. In went my paste. I'm going to saute it a little bit. It smells amazing, guys. It smells really amazing. Okay, in goes our stock. I'm going to add the rice in here now. Adding my rice. Going to stir it. Pressure cook this on rice setting and the rice will be ready in 8 minutes. Fire rice is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.